Let me know your journey, sir. How has been your portfolio doing, right?
Initially, actually, I was not knowing ABCD of the stock market.
Which module has helped you to average your positions? Yeah, I think you have entered mastery also just 1 month or 2 months before, right? How are you, Mr. Praveen?
All fine, all fine. Thank you.
Very good, sir. Very good.
Yeah.
So let me know your journey, sir. How has been your portfolio doing, right? I think we had a one-to-one session also where from there you have been performing superb, right? So good.
Yes, sir. Initially, actually, I was not knowing ABCD of the stock market, but suddenly one day when I went to this ICICI Bank for renewing my FD, that time the manager asked me to just try to invest in mutual fund. So, but without knowing the ABCD of this stock market, I thought I should learn something before doing this one. But he insisted me to just invest on the mutual fund. I did that one initially. But after coming home, then I just checked a couple of YouTube channels and everything. So there I saw your advertisement also. Then I enrolled for the course. And after enrolling the course, I've learned a few points which you have repeatedly talking about, like picking up the stocks and how to invest and the direction of the stocks, all these things which you have to select
Right.
it, and also about the risk rewards and everything. So as a blindly, I also just took a risk, like I brought the mutual fund amount, 50% mutual fund amount, and just invested in this one of the defense stock, that is this
Okay.
Musconda.
Correct.
So that time that was in the upward trend, just in the beginning of the upward trend. So and
Correct.
that day also, luckily there was a huge moment on that day, and I could earn around 4% on the first day itself.
I think you have
Second
made
day,
a killing in Cochin Shipyard, right? Defense related company have made a
yeah,
killing.
yes, yes.
Yes, yes,
Both
very good.
both the defense based clubs like one.
Yes.
And after that, I joined this mastery module. After joining mastery module, there was a lot of tools which we have discussed about, and with that one, I could easily top up that one also.
Very
And
good.
using
Which
that
module you have
logic,
referred, sir, for the mastery? Which module has helped you to average your positions?
that tools and all which you have covered, that one which include Donchian and so many other
Okay,
tools.
okay. Indicators, Donchian. Yeah, correct,
The
correct.
indicators. So
Long-term,
with that,
short-term
that one,
indicators. Right.
yeah, that one really helped me a lot for topping it up. And after topping it up, so once a certain stage, these stocks, this Musgon dog especially started consolidating for about 15, 16 days. So as you said, you should not be in love with a particular stock. Then I
Hmm.
also thought might as well divest. That means I took an exit from that stock as well. And
Okay.
after taking an exit also, I was under the, I have a feeling that I should take a re-entry on this particular stock itself. So
Okay.
every day, all the tools whichever you have discussed in that mastery module. So every day I was just experimenting with just this Musgon talk only.
Very
So
good.
finally one day I saw there was slight movement coming up. So I thought this is the right time to take a re-entry. Luckily
Very
on the
good.
first day itself, the re-entry day, I could gain almost 14% on the re-entry day itself.
Very good. Very good. Very happy for you. Any PSU
Uh,
banking stocks, auto-related stocks also have made your portfolio go good? You
Yes,
have
yes.
taken decent
Please,
exposure.
both Jammu Kashmir Bank and Union Bank, and also UCO. These three PSU banks has
Very
done.
good.
And apart
Very
from that, this ICICI Bank, I have invested there was about 15 days back. So that
good.
momentum, the everyday just compounding, but really is something different feeling for me. Like the
Very
way
good.
which it is growing, the way which it is growing, it's per day maybe growing about 0.25 or 0.5
Right.
percent. But
And in
ultimately
fact,
today, when
I think, yeah, I think you have entered mastery also just 1 month or 2 months before, right? You have just entered into mastery.
just
So
about to finish complete 2 months now.
2 months, yeah. So you are just at the initial learning curve, sir. And as we discuss every week, our watch list of ideas, it has to still grow up, sir, right? It has to scale up. And there is a lot I see you will be doing very well, right? And in our one-to-one
Yes,
session also, we have discussed on your mutual funds and stocks portfolio. What is your
yes, yes.
target over a period of time? Lowering on the mutual funds and entering more into the stocks, right? Your stocks portfolio should be more. My support will
I,
always be there, and I'm sure you'll do it, sir, right?
I already started doing that one because now it's mutual fund is only 25% only. Because
Right.
almost 75 is come into this part.
Very good. Very good. I hope
So,
beyond all the returns, your conviction levels are increasing, right? Am I right on that?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very
Yes, sir.
good. Very good,
Definitely.
sir. Very happy to meet you. And yes, we'll discuss.
And apart,
Yes, sir.
and apart from that, one of the defense stock, I took PhD in Mazgondov. So that means that PhD in the sense I would say that there was a loss in between with one of the stock that Axis gets about 20%. But the
Okay.
day when I got a chance to exit out from that particular stock, so
Very
I
good.
was just thinking somehow I have to recover it. But on that particular day itself, I got an opportunity to invest in Mazgondov again in the third entry.
Hmm.
So luckily I got 12% compensated on the same day in 2 hours time. That was one of the
Exactly.
best thing
No,
I
I'll hold you here. Hold on. Guys, please remember the power of stop losses, right? Or even the power of accepting losses is this, right? Yeah, one stock, because of some reason, if it is going down also, you have to come out of it and look at a stronger opportunity, right? Stronger opportunity. I think you have discussed in our session also, right? In our live session, so this is how it is moving. Yes, we have to move out. And again, you have taken a re-entry. So that capital has helped you to grow back again, right? Wonderful, sir. Wonderful.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
just
So now
I'm
at least
telling you, right? If you just follow our live discussions, follow our modules diligently, FOCUS, follow one course until success, FOCUS, you will be done. Most of the people do multiple things and they don't land anywhere, right? Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. Very happy to listen to you. I think you will discuss for another half an hour, right? All your success stories. So,
it's just all because of you, sir. And
thank
I'm
you.
sure that everybody who ever enrolled for this course definitely will gain more and more. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you for that. My support will always be there. And let me repeat again to you, Mr. Praveen. We have just started scratching the surface. We have a lot of momentum in the market. We will create multi-baggers, right? That is in the
All
process.
right.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks for coming live.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.